In today's video, we continue work on the 61 Dodge Dart Phoenix. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to go ahead work on the 61 Dodge a little more. I'm going to separate the motor and the tranny from each other. I'm going to go ahead and maybe take off the valve covers, the oil pan, maybe even the intake, and see how the motor looks and see if there's a lot more damage done to it, and mostly just inspect it. So, let's get going. Here I put it on this Harbor Freight front remover. Let me see. Got another one there. Let's see. Actually, I think I have to take off the starter first. Alright, it appears I've been doing this all wrong. Like usual. On these transmissions, you have to disconnect the transmission from the converter housing. So I thought, just like every other, I guess, like Chevy or newer ones, I guess, the whole thing just comes out, but not on these. So you have to disconnect this and then the converter housing and converter. think I have to take off the inspection cover on the torque converter underneath to get this off. I hope. Well, what'd Mommy say?
Yeah, we can't do some dog, she said.
You can't?
We can't do some dog.
Alright, well.
And she said, it's to Mac, she don't go in there anymore.
Oh, yeah, she's probably on a meeting.
Yeah,
Yeah, for a few minutes. I'll be in a little bit.
yeah. Come on, you guys, we can do some dog.
Yeah.
But Mommy said we can't.
Can't play some dog? Just play your regular games, guys. Kids and homeschooling. Fantastic. There we go. All right. Next time.
It says Wi-Fi settings.
Judy, I'm pretty tired here, but
It says Wi-Fi settings.
I know, Judy, but I'm trying to do stuff here. All right. If you have a manual, read it. It will save you so much time. These motors, I guess, they're just so old and they're just different, I guess. I don't know. But what I'm gonna do now, what am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna go ahead and try to take off this the flywheel and the converter. Let me look and see what I need for that. Go. All right, I want to show you my transmission, what I saw when I came and put it in here. If you look, let me see if I can get a good enough shot. There's a piece of metal that broke off somewhere. Right there, and there was another one earlier. It broke there. It's in there, and if you come over here, let me see if I can move this. You can see there's chunks missing right there, and on the other side. I'm gonna say this transmission is probably no good. At least not for what I use it for. But I am gonna go ahead. If anybody could use this for maybe the case or any parts out of it, anything like that, please shout out to my comments or get a hold of me on my Instagram or Facebook page at Dad Life Projects or on my Gmail address, dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. So do that, or because I'm going to hold on to it for a month, I'm going to go ahead and maybe put it in Facebook and Craigslist, but if nobody wants it, then I'm just going to put it out here for the guy in my alley, for the guy that comes and gets all the the metal and stuff that people put out. But so I just wanted to put that out there. All right, here's my motor. I got it on the stand. Took me a while, but I did do it. I didn't think you guys really wanted to watch me sit there and put it on the stand and get it set up and stuff, but we can go ahead and we can look down the distributor. I don't know if you can see it very well or not. It's so bright out here. It does look a little sludgy in there. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the valve cover gasket, the valve covers, and we'll see how it looks there. Yeah, that's not promising there. Oh, man. Oh. Wow. Wow. Well, you can smell it. Ooh, you can smell the gas, man. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. Oh man, it's like, wow. That's pretty good there. Yeah, this engine, wow. And then you also remember how bad my water galleys were. So, all right. You can smell it. It smells like maybe they put diesel in it, maybe to free it up. But because you can smell right when I took that off, man, it smelled pretty good. Or pretty bad, I guess. But I don't know that for sure though. But it does smell. All right then. Well, I don't think I really have to do a whole lot more. Wow. All right, you saw the condition of that motor. Looks pretty bad. So, if anybody's looking for a 318 poly, hey, I got one for you, cheap. If anybody is out there looking for the transmission, or a 318 poly, please leave a comment down below. Or get a hold of me on my Facebook or Instagram at Dad Life Projects. Or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you go ahead and look at these 2 videos right here. Also hit that subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, if it doesn't turn out the way you thought, you are still the project manager. Thank you.